So we got married in the courthouse and don't have a photo of it. Will that be okay at the interview?
Yeah, I mean, it's just one little piece of evidence that it's a real marriage, but you have a marriage certificate that says you got married at the courthouse. You got to prove that it's a bona fide marriage. Whether you have a picture from the courthouse wedding or not, I don't think that's going to make a difference, proving whether it's a valid marriage.
All right.
David says, I've already gotten my 2-year green card and I'm about to start my college studies in the fall. Congrats. Will student financial aid affect my chances of becoming or getting my 10-year green card? No. Becoming a citizen?
No.
We're good. Yep.
All right, our third one comes from Son Klo Kom Musisi saying, what are my benefits as a D1 visa holder?
Benefits as a D1?
Yes, sir.
You work on a ship.
So what are the benefits?
You get to come off the ship on ship leave.
That's
I
it.
mean, that's
it.
Yeah, so that's it.
That's it.
All right.
We've got our next question from Elizabeth, who said, would someone be approved of a U visa if someone was did the crime but wasn't prosecuted and then left the country?
Yes.
All right, we have one from Ashley Barrett saying, filed the I-130 with your office a year ago, and I was told that it's still in California. However, my husband is a U.S. citizen, and I don't understand why it's taking long.
Because they're doing last in, first out. So people who filed last year are waiting longer than people who filed this year. It's just the way the Trump administration is doing it. It's very unfair.
So when that happens, what can you do? Like,
File a mandamus after 12 months, and she can come talk to us about that.
Oh, okay.
Mm-hmm.
Anne said, I know we can file 90 days prior to the 5 years of being a permanent resident. Since the processing time is so long, can we still file 6 months before?
No, 90 days.
Ifua saying, my question is, I filed an I-360 through a permanent resident last year, March 30th. I received a prima facie twice and never heard anything again. When do you think I'm going to receive a decision on my case and approval?
It's at least a 2-year wait.
We've got one from Scott who said, hope Brad remembers when he got me approved from an ESTA to a 2-year green card, and it was us that got married.
Scott!
And it was,
of course I remember Scott.
Wait, I think you might actually, because I remember this case.
Okay.
Real talk?
Okay.
Because he asked a question. He was not a Spar Bernstein client.
Okay, what was the question?
The question was he had gotten married. He was here on an ESTA visa, and they had gotten married in under 30 days.
Right.
And you were like, you have major issues.
Yes.
Because it was within 30 days.
And he got through without a problem.
So he hired an attorney,
Yes.
and he got through. Now he's wondering.
Oh, he was out in San Francisco.
Yes, exactly.
I remember.
Now we
right.
want to go for citizenship in the future, and we want to know if that's going to count as time spent with my 2-year green card, or if I have to wait for the 10-year.
No, time spent in 2 years, fine for citizenship.
Amazing.
Jeanette saying, hey Brad, 201 days since I filed for my papers on married base. Nothing yet. It's still showing case was received. I need to know if it's okay.
Ooh,
It's still okay.
200 days.
Yeah.
Sammy Joe said, what forms do I file with the I-130 for my husband and daughter? They're both in Nigeria, and we got married June 13th of this year.
I-130 for your husband and a separate I-130 for the daughter.
Pinta C saying, if I take WIC for my twins, will that affect my VAWA case in light of Trump's new immigration laws?
No, it will not.
John said, a friend of mine mentioned his arrest in the N400, but not the traffic citations. There's no DWI and no arrest, just minor traffic tickets. Could he amend the information at the interview?
Yes, he can.
Lloyd saying, can I file my tax married, but filing separate as a green card holder?
As long as you don't need to prove it's a bona fide marriage, do any way your tax preparer says, as long as it's legal.
And Marie said, because of a public charge that goes into effect in October, can the adjustment applications now outright be denied because the petitioner doesn't work and receives SSI for over 10 years?
Maybe. No, because it's already been filed.
It's already been filed.
So yes, because you're under the old law, so don't worry.
Okay.
Mr. Willie, VIP,
Hey.
saying, hey team, what do you think priority date 7318 type CR1 on January 12, 2019 answered a RFE. Case status said, response was received. I'm still waiting for the RFE is about marriage certificate.
What do I think?
Mm-hmm.
I think eventually you'll get a decision. I mean, I don't know what else to think.
Yeah.
But when
Basically what he said is I filed a F2A petition by my
Right.
permanent resident spouse. They asked for something with the marriage certificate. I submitted it and I'm waiting for a decision.
And they don't even tell you if they ever received that other information?
Well, you have to send it certified mail so you know it's
so
received.
you know.
Well, the
Oh,
case
gosh.
status said it was received.
Yeah.
All right, so, oh my gosh.
All right, so I don't know what more to think.
Right.
Matt Alice needs your help, Brad. My daughter got married to a U.S. citizen in November of 2014, and she went to an interview in July of 2019, so 5 years later. They say she needs more proof for their marriage. They emailed her about 2 years for him to make any effort to go down for the interview on the same day, but he did not go. My daughter is not communicating with him, and he's not answering his phone, so he has definitely abandoned her. She got married when she was 22, now she's 27. Is there absolutely anything you can do given that he's abandoned her? I told her to email the embassy in Jamaica in February of this year with her passport, which they just sent back to her.
Yeah, no. There's nothing you can do. Get a divorce and move on with life. Unfortunately.
So sad.
All right, Joke is saying, I have a question for you, Brad, about the bar exam here in the state.
Yes.
Can someone that overstayed do the bar exam? Really want to know if
Yes.
how can he or she go about doing this?
Go to law school, get a law school degree, and then go take the bar exam. Nobody's asking you for your legal status.
In New York, do you have to have a law degree to pass the bar?
I don't know.
Because I know just because
in California,
you don't, because Kim Kardashian's studying for the bar just because she's decided to study for the bar.
Maybe in New York, I don't know. I don't know the rules of
That's
taking
crazy.
the bar.
So
I know I went to law school and then I took the bar. That's all I know.
So you could overstay to take the bar exam.
Well, actually, I know foreign attorneys come and take the bar, and they haven't gone to school here, but they have a degree from somewhere else. I don't know. Maybe you don't. I don't know.
Man, aren't you going to be pissed off if you found out you didn't even need to go to law school that
How
whole
would
time?
I pass the bar
That's a
exam?
great question, Brad. That's a good point.
I'm not Kim Kardashian.
No one's
you don't
that
have
smart.
the brains of Kim
Come
Kardashian.
on, please. Right.
You don't
But
have
the
boobies.
answer is yes. You don't need to be legal status to take the bar exam. That I know.
Awesome.
Fantastic. Denise said, my priority date is back in March of 2013. My mom's a U.S. citizen and I was married when she filed. Now I'm divorced. I sent in the decree last August of 2018. We got a notice 3 weeks later from USCIS saying that they got it. What does that mean? Will I automatically be updated to F1 from F3?
You should be if you requested it and you submitted a divorce decree. Absolutely.
But so why haven't we gotten an approval yet?
Because it takes time.
Because it's from March 2013.
And you still haven't gotten approval.
No.
But the priority date's 2012, so you should be getting it soon.
Ah.
As long as you get it before the 2011, 2012, before your date is reached, what's the difference?
Okay, so we're still breathing easy.
We're still breathing easy.
Great.
Awesome, and that's it for right now.
All right. Thanks for watching. For more Brad Show Live, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.